Just caught another one. This time on Degray candy. Oh, look at there. Old magnolia crappie. Alright, I didn't do no intro, so this is my intro. Degray Lake. I did pretty good last Friday. Didn't record any of it. Went fishing this Friday, didn't even get a bite. Went fishing today, I think I caught 6 crappie. Bass boats flew by everywhere. It was crazy out there. High winds and bass boats. But it's better than sitting at the house and not doing nothing. So thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoy what you do see. God bless you. Boy, it's been a slow day. These water temp is 59.14. I come out here last Friday, a week ago. It took me a few hours, but I did catch some. I'm gonna tell you right now, and they was all in the mud, but at least they would bite. These right here are in the mud, and they will not bite. It's been a hard morning. You'd think that it's supposed to have a little front coming in tonight, some rain. We might, catch some fish, but I'm gonna tell you right now, it is not looking good for the home team. I have went just right by them. Matter of fact, I'm right by one right now, and I don't even think he bit. I think it looked like he was biting, but apparently he wasn't biting either. It's just a sad day. I've watched boats come and go. They're about like me. They're lost right now. You can see fish, but you can't make them bite. They're not happy. They're changing spots. I've changed spots. I've changed about every color I got. But I will tell you this, I won't spend much more time out here. Now there's some fish right there, but I guarantee you. Now where'd they go? Straight in that mud. Right into the mud. I don't understand it. I'm just fishing the bottom. It is so bad today. I can see fish just come up out of the bottom. Alright. Let's see if we can get one of these to cooperate real quick. I don't think they're very big. Nope. I'll start double jig rigging. All they want to do is hit that split shot on top. Hey, don't y'all love it when you're sitting at the house thinking about fishing, there's no wind, and as soon as you get over here, man, it's like a hurricane tornado comes through and just goes crazy. Oh, I just missed that one. He was down there in the mud. I found a little top out here. Sure did, boy. Got my lure all tore up. Yeah. That's blueberry. That's a blueberry color I make. That's a hot pink jig. That's a Hey Mikey jig. I guess I better go ahead and let y'all know who makes that jig. That's Hey Mikey Jig Company. Man, if I don't at least say who makes that jig, they will cry. Well, only one of them really. And I hate to hear a grown man cry. Ronnie Adams. I made a little video of making soft plastics. And I showed these jig heads on there, but I didn't tell y'all who made them. Come on, hit it. Man, that pollen is thick. It's a pretty good fish right there. But anyway, and I got a phone call because I didn't give a shout out. Well, so my answer was, well, I didn't get paid for advertising. If you want to be truthful about it, I didn't get paid to advertise them jigs. Matter of fact, I hadn't even got any of them jigs this year. So I'm not even getting sponsored by Hey Mikey Jigs. That wind is getting on up there. And it's keeping me right out of, and by the time I throw it, I'm gonna stay on the throttle. I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Finally got me another one. Now this is more of a, this is a little bit better fish. I don't know how old this line is. I know it's bigger line. This reel was given to me and had some line on it. That's an eater. That little color right there, I made that today. That's a brand new one. So I don't even know what I'm gonna call it. But it's a, I was wanting a red, and I don't have no red paint to mix with my plastisol to make these. But what I did have is like tomato color. So I took some tomato color and saturated it with red glitter. And then I did put 2 drops of hot pink in there just to try to give it a little spunk. But I believe I had too much red glitter already, so. And then a white tail. Little thumper tail, and then that hot pink Hey Mikey jig. So that's why I just caught that one on. Let's see if we can get some more. Y'all stay tuned. Another one. Let's boat flip him. These are not big crappie, but we are gonna. Look at there. He ain't nothing big. But I'm gonna get these fish to show these guys that I am catching some. But right there, I don't know what we're gonna call it. They may call it Campbell's. It's red and white like a Campbell's can. I would call it strawberries and cream, but I mean, it does kind of look like a strawberry with that glitter off in it. Man, there's a bunch of fish in that top right there, but most of them are at the bottom of it. Let's see if I can find man, that pollen's kind of bad today. Real thick, that, and we had tornadoes come through last night. And right there about where I need to be looking, there's so much silt, pollen and silt in here. But y'all stay tuned. We after them. Just caught another one. This time on Degray candy. Oh, look at there. Old magnolia crappie. That's another one for a. Right there. Degray candy. I've got my trolling motor on second gear and I'm steadily losing ground. Oh, it's right to the edge of white capping. Let me give it some more power. I'm fixing to go find me somewhere else to get out of this wind. I mean, I hate to leave that good little pile of fish, but they're not biting. I've thrown about everything I know. You can catch a couple on one jig, and then you gotta change colors. Then you can catch a couple more. I don't know where it. I think I'm hung up in that bush. Yeah, I'm hung up in that bush. And just lost that lure. Oh, I got my split shot back though. Alright, well I'm gonna drift around, tie on another lure, and then I'm gonna go find me somewhere else to get. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright. I found me another little spot to get. Of course, and as soon as I get here comes a bass boat, comes flying by. I'm not mad at him. But they have a tournament going on today. One guy come by me just laughing. You know, I'm in my riverboat. It's not fast. It's 1756 flat bottom with a jet pump on it. Guy come by past me and he's kind of laughing at me. Yeah, but I'm getting the better laugh. He's going fast when he should be catching bass. You know what I'm saying? These guys, they get these tournaments, all they want to do is drive around and just waste gas. I don't understand it. But I'm gonna get up here and try to catch some fish here in a little bit. We may have to find another pocket. This pocket's long enough, it's got some wind in it. So, my goodness. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Crazy. I might be wasting my time right here. I don't know. High winds and a bass tournament. Two bad combinations. Alright. Oh yeah. Starting to white cap, so I'm leaving.